you guys are new here, my name is Michelle Reed. I post a lot of work week my lives. I post a lot of lifestyle videos, and today I am coming to you with a video that I haven't done in a while, and it is what I eat in a week. Since I started my 9-to-5 job, I've learned how hard but important it is to eat healthy during the week, how hard it is to not eat out a lot, how hard it is to really like prepare your meals. And so I wanted to put this video together because I feel like this is a very typical what I eat in a week video of what I eat in a week working 9 to 5. I feel like it's really hard on YouTube to watch these videos from people who don't work full time, and that's nothing against them. But I feel like for the majority of people, they don't really have the time to spend an hour on each meal that they eat. They're not like working from home, you know, they're working from an office. It has to be something that's easy. I work pretty long hours too, and so for me, I don't have necessarily a lot of time to meal prep. So these are fast meals that are still somewhat healthy. I want to disclose that I'm not a professional. I am literally 21 years old, and this is what I eat. I'm not vegan, I'm not vegetarian, I'm not paleo, I'm not like anything like that. I am trying to limit dairy right now because I'm trying to clear up my skin, but besides that, I just try to eat balanced. I used to be a vegetarian. I think it's okay if you have any dietary restrictions. For me personally, I just feel like for my mindset and kind of my soul, it's really important for me to just have balance in what I eat. So you guys will see that in this video. I try to eat about 80% healthy, 20% not healthy. I also don't work out as much as I used to. I am not as in shape as I used to be in college. Like I don't have the time. And I feel like there was a period where I was kind of beat up about that and was like, I feel like I'm not as healthy as I used to be. I feel like my body's not as toned as I used to be, but I think you just kind of have to realize that you're in a different phase of life, and that's okay. And like right now, this is the best that I'm doing. I have my laptop, I'm just gonna run through it. I love how Lindsay Rem does these videos, and so I'm gonna do it based off of her style. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a weekly grocery haul before I get into this so you can kind of see what I buy. I shop at Trader Joe's. This is a pretty standard weekly haul for me, so let's roll it. So this is my weekly haul. I spent about $80 on all this stuff, but I also got flowers and I also got a candle, so it was probably more around like $65, I would say. We got some bananas, butter. I normally don't buy butter, but I'm making a dessert, so I needed this. These are the Lungo espresso capsules. I have stopped drinking iced coffee in the morning because it's been making me nauseous, and now I just use the Nespresso, and these are really good, so I just buy these. Sliced mushrooms. My roommate Rose makes mushrooms and they taste really good, so I got those. These little mango slices, just dried fruit. I just eat a few of these at work when I need something that's like sweet. Green beans. This is the oven roasted turkey breast. There's another kind of turkey breast that comes in like a slim package. This stuff tastes so much better. I'd highly recommend getting this instead. This is just almond milk, very simple. I got dark chocolate caramel with black sea salt. I like to have like a little bit of this at night for dessert. We have some organic oats for the thing that I'm making. Hummus, nutmeg, which is also for the dessert. Needed some blueberries. This is a pre-made salad. I really like the pre-made salads from Trader Joe's. I'll probably add meat to this since it's just vegetables, but it's nice just to like grab on a busy morning. I got lemon chicken and rosemary chicken. I love both of these. This is my biggest tip if you're working, is just to get this chicken. It's probably a little more expensive than making it yourself, but it's so quick. It's so nice to bring for lunch or dinner. Then I have some avocados for avocado toast, herb salad mix, and spinach. I also usually get apples, but I have all of these apples from apple picking, so I'm gonna make like an apple crisp and then also just have these for a snack during the week. Starting off with Monday, I've been really into my Nespresso right now, so I just went ahead and made a little latte. I just like to do a shot of espresso and then just a little bit of almond milk. I feel like it's the perfect amount in the morning that gives me a little caffeine boost, but not too much. I then made overnight oats. Overnight oats are so easy to make. All I do is combine almond milk, oats, a little bit of chia seeds, and I put that in the fridge overnight. Wake up in the morning, it's like this really cool texture. I just add blueberries and a little bit of agave, and I love doing this. That's what I had this morning. For lunch, I can't believe this was my first lunch and I didn't even show it at work, but the night before I had made that lemon chicken that I got. Marinated some mushrooms and then just made some green beans, and I just took that with me to work. It was really good. Super easy. Like all I do is cook my green beans with like a tiny bit of butter, salt, and pepper. And then for the mushrooms, I'll do the same. Like I'm not a chef. I don't even measure things out. I just kind of like whip things up. So, and then for snacks, I always bring snacks because I eat a lot at work. I get really hungry at work, and so I just had an RX bar and then some mango slices that were dry from Trader Joe's as well. For dinner that night, I was not super hungry. I don't know why, so I just had a few turkey slices, a little bit of pita chips, carrots, and hummus. And then I actually made dessert, which is something that I have a really big sweet tooth. I had all these apples from apple picking. So I made like an apple crumble with some dairy-free ice cream. It was so good. I posted this on my Instagram, so if you guys want the recipe, it'll be here. You should also follow me on Instagram because I post all the time. So for Tuesday, I had the same thing in the morning, just my latte and then the leftover overnight oats. I usually make oats in like 2 portion sizes, so I'll have it on Monday morning, then Tuesday morning. I then had this spinach pre-made salad from Trader Joe's, but I like to add chicken to it because I think it's just not filling enough to just eat that. And then I also pack my own dressing because I don't really like the dressings they come with, so I just did like a little light Italian, and then I just mixed it up, had that with an RX bar. And then for dinner, this is one of my go-to dinners. I make this all the time. I made this for me and Aiden this night. I just had some chicken sausage, cut up some zucchini, peppers, and onions, and I just kind of like cook the onions in a tiny bit of butter, salt, and pepper. Then I add the rest of the vegetables. And then once that's done, I'll cook the chicken sausage and I'll just put it together. It's like so easy, but it's really good. And I love this chicken sausage from Trader Joe's. It's like super yummy. For Wednesday, same thing. I had my little latte in the morning. I then just made some avocado toast. I use Ezekiel bread, just some avocado, a little bit of everything with the bagel seasoning, and then some red pepper seasoning. And it's really good. I just eat a slice. It fills me up. I like it in the morning. For lunch, I just packed some carrots, turkey slices, and apple cut up in an RX bar. This is probably like my fastest lunch, but I feel like it's easy. And it just kind of shows that you don't always necessarily need to be like packing these really gourmet salads or something. You can kind of bring things that are like snacks, but put them together so they feel a little bit more like lunch. For dinner, I had one of my only meals that I ate out at. I worked out and it was like 9 o'clock once I was done, so I really just wanted to grab a salad. So I picked up the salad from Sweet Green. It's the ratatouille one. It's a new one. It's really good. It had like quinoa, chicken, spinach, carrots, and then I just did light dressing, and it was so good. And then I just had a little square of dark chocolate, which is something that I do a lot at night. For Thursday, I just had another piece of Ezekiel toast, and then I used my RX butter stuff. I love this. This one is the hazelnut one. It's so good. So I just put that on a piece of toast with some banana, and it was really good. And then like a little bit of chia seed. I then prepared another salad. All I did was mix some greens, carrots, and then again that lemon pepper chicken, and it was so good. I also just packed an apple. For dinner, I was really craving pizza, but I wanted to make kind of like a healthier pizza. It definitely is not like the healthiest thing, but I picked up the cauliflower crust from Trader Joe's, which I really liked. All I did was cut up some vegetables. I did bell pepper, mushrooms, broccoli, and onions, and then I just grilled them in the oven with some olive oil and a little bit of salt and pepper. And then just cooked up a tiny bit of sausage. I didn't do a lot, but I did just want some kind of protein, so I just did a little bit of lean sausage. Then I cooked the crust for about like 20 minutes in the oven, half on each side. And then I took it out, put the sauce on, put a little bit of cheese. I couldn't find dairy-free cheese at Trader Joe's, so I just went with like normal mozzarella. Sprinkled a little bit on there, and then I added my toppings, and then I put it back in the oven for like maybe like 6 minutes, and it was so good. I loved it. Even though the sides, as you can tell, are a little bit burnt, it was really crispy and good. For Friday, I just yet again did another piece of avocado toast. And then I took half of the pizza from the night before for my leftovers, which is another tip I have, is always just cook 2 portions when you make dinner and then bring the next for lunch, and it works out really well. I didn't have coffee this morning. I picked up an iced matcha with oat milk before work. I usually like to treat myself a couple times a week to a coffee at work, and I've been really into matcha lately. I think it's like really good natural energy, so I've been drinking that. And then for dinner, I went out with Aiden, and I can't really explain what this was. I thought it was chicken and salad, but it was literally like a flat piece of chicken with salad over it. And it did come with cheese, but I just tried to eat around the cheese. But that's what I had for dinner, and that was what I eat in a week. I hope this gave you guys kind of a better sense of how to eat healthy during the week. I know I'm not perfect. I'm not saying that I am, but I do think once you eat healthy, it just makes it so much easier to be your best self and have the best energy to kind of be 100% at whatever you do throughout the day. I hope this was a little bit more practical. Like I said, I know I really struggle with watching videos like this when it's like I can't make an acai bowl at noon in the afternoon, or you know, I can't like grill up salmon at noon at work. Like these are things that just like aren't possible for me. So I hope this kind of showed you guys that you can still eat healthy while working full-time. I love you guys, and if you guys are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. I post twice a week, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.